How to turn off Ask Permission to download apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to Family. This is the Family Sharing page. You can share your subscriptions, share purchases, and also set up parental controls from here. Tap on any member from here. Then, go to Purchases. Tap on Continue. And then, tap on Add Payment Method. Over here, you can add and manage the payment settings. After adding in the payment method details, tap on Done above. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Ask Permission to download apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.